almond trees are the two trees at the back there, and they're the best staying off in the spring. You know, spring's here when avocado there is a reed avocado, which Richard Main said is actually grown from a seed. It's unusual. Usually you get it. This year it's actually got some avocados on a reasonable number. The big tree just got finished. That's the brown turkey big tree. The persimmon tree is what we planted here 3 years ago near the end of April to celebrate the saving of the sanctuary as a entity. Just down here we'll start with the FoodForest. You'll remember that here 20 years ago all this was just kikuyu. The white sapote or the casimara, it's there, it grows fast here, and one of the problems is because it grows so fast it splits, and we have more problems with casimara tree to what this. Nice butt going through.
Is it the wind?
Yeah, the wind. Yeah. There's a tablecloth tree there with the leaves there. The tablecloth was one of the trees which was brought in by early Maori, but it didn't survive. The tree day there will come into flower very soon. It's one of those plants that only flowers as the daylight lengths shorten. The brightest, the sunniest, warmest place. So they tried a few of the trees, such as the inga bean tree, the ice cream tree, which has the bean pods there, which the white flesh has reminiscent the taste of vanilla ice cream. The beans can be roasted, which is fine. Oh, they're still there. Pomegranates for this time. Well, in fact, there's enough heat to get them going all the way through. I'm not too sure. The Chinese toon tree here, that has the pink leaves and the and the parts. Yeah, the tips there got savoury onion taste. You can use them in stir fries, and that's really part. Behind there, this little tree going up, Davidsonia, the so-called Queensland plum, which has small purplish round fruit, which fruits on the trunk. Hang on the trunk. Yes, we've got really.
What are those yellow guys?
And the yellow guys are the mandarin, Richard's special mandarins, which was a New Zealand bred mandarin. First attempt to try to get an easy peel mandarin. It's got a slight taste of a grapefruit. It's a really nice. Yeah. When this FoodForest is set up, it was set up as an example of trying things out. It's not set up as an orchard going through which you had guaranteed things. There was various plum trees and other things. Yeah, they work going through conventional, but they tried various things. Some worked. I think it's a part of the novelty. As a FoodForest, it also includes non-food trees for us, including some of the Andean walnut tree, which was good for its timber for the park, but it was also they had colonising trees. They had poplars in there which were going to be coppiced,
And they don't.
which they didn't. The Andean Bolivian coconut palm, it has blossomed. It has really grown away since the Tradescantia has been removed. It hasn't fruited yet, but it's in its native range. It is regarded as an endangered species. So this is one of the things that we think of for the park. Although it is exotic, we actually may be helping to maintain the gene pool of some other parts. In here, in the urban areas, it would be almost impossible to get back to the native situation, because the underneath is just not the beetles, the moths and all the natives that grew up with things just won't survive here, even, or take a long time before you get a resemblance, and you get something like it, but you'll never get the same as what it was before. When you look at an area like this, what we try to say, there's about 400 species of plants in this 6,500 square metre area, different types, and it's both, and why we regard this as basically urban biodiversity. We're not looking at just native biodiversity, but urban biodiversity. That's Domia, still in flower. There's one by the composting, pink flower. Pink cloud is the variety. And that's really good for bees and things for all times of the year. So we'll just go through to the end there and we'll go past to the archaeological site. Here, macadamia, the mountain pawpaw going through. And this Bruggsmania has got a big flower. There's the used to be Datura, big trumpet flowers, and in South America where they grow, these are pollinated by hummingbirds.